Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Rosie the Wolf channel. I am Katie, and this is Sarah. And this is our new little friend, Miku-chan! She's wearing her little winter sweater, but she's trying to get out of it. But she's wearing her little winter sweaters. Hi! But, yep, this is Miku-chan, our new friend. But she's not part of, this is just what's to come. Okay. So today, we have Series 2 of Lost Kitties Kit Twins. And it comes with 2 little compounds of dough, or ice cream as they're calling it in here, and 2 little figures of the kittens. And let me show you what one of them will probably look like, because this would be, the Series 2 series is really glittery. So that is that series, is the glitter series. Okay. She's already opened hers. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we have our checklist. As you can see, those are all the kitties you can get. Like us, we're just kind of like, we don't do them very often, but when we do, we do them. Some of them you can find twins, some of them you can't. So, yeah. So, maybe it'll be glitter, I don't know, but there's the list. So, she has a pink one. What other color do you got? And a green. I have a purple. No, wait. That's not purple, it's chocolate. Chocolate. The other one. And a pink. Okay. Oh, and it comes with this thingy. I don't know what this is yet. It's a... What? Oh no! She has plastic on her finger. That was awkward. Miku is the best part of our entertainment. I guess this is like a little... Oh, yep, it's the little catalog. So this is probably the cat you're gonna end up getting as your twins. It's a little book. You can flip it. So it's kind of like a flip book. You just flip it. So like that. But I can't do it right now. But anyway, that's what we got. Okay, so next thing is now we're gonna open. So you pick the one you want to open first. She's got the green one she's going to open. So I'm guessing that would probably be like pistachio or something. I'm going to move the checklist. Okay. Here we go. She likes pistachio ice cream. And by the way, this series has came out for a while. We just never got into it yet. So this is starting. And this time they have lids this time. The last series didn't have lids for their dough, so it dried up pretty quickly. So now they have lists. And I'm guessing it's the same things you can find in it, like the sticker and the cat. And okay, so she's got her... I know this sounds probably kind of weird, but I'm getting it. Okay, so you get the item. Okay, I got 2 items in there. The dough's really soft, by the way. So that's nice. Now, usually when I do the items, I don't usually keep them. I usually give them to someone. But she got those. I have a little ice cream. And I think this is a milkshake in here. Is that everything? I think that's everything in hers. And sorry about the noises in the background. It's people. What? Oh, we love our family. Apparently she can't talk today. Okay, and here is the little milkshake of mine. Yummy. Is that everything? As you can hear them probably in the background. They're watching the football game. Okay, well, there's nothing on the bottom, so that's pretty much the empty. Okay. But the dough is really soft, so that's nice. That's always nice. You have nice, soft dough. Okay, she has the cat in her hand. And it's pink. It's a pink kitty. I don't know what its name yet. I'll tell you the name in a moment. Which... Oh, you got Sir Spoon. One of them, his name is Sir Spoon. Okay, I haven't opened mine yet, so let's open mine. It's a good thing we have different ones. Yours is Sir Spoon. I'm right. She knows I'm right. Don't prove me wrong. I know I'm right. I am not wrong. I am right. Get your redneck butt out of here if you think I'm wrong. Ooh, I got a cute one. Okay. It looks... It's cute. It looks a little weird, but it's cute. So, that's the one I got. The name of that one was... I gotta find it. Pulley. I guess that's Pulley. Okay, so next one. I'm guessing this one was probably the twin, which would be Pulse. Okay. Now, for my stuff, I have a little box for mine. So I'm not going to be using the container. So that's that. I got dough in my nails. Sorry. Ew, yeah. Ew. Yeah. Okay, I got the chocolate dough open. The pink dough you've already seen, so... Oh. Okay, so we have a purple sundae and the chocolate. I'll show you the dough in a minute. There's the purple sundae. Okay. Next I have the dough. Here's the dough. That's the color of the chocolate. Okay, I have one more little thing to get out. I'm guessing this is supposed to be like chocolate syrup. I'm guessing. They're all like sundae related. So, ice cream related things. Okay. The last step of mine is to open my kitties. But, yeah. Hers is a dark pink, I guess. Mine was a lighter pink. But, you get the point. It's still pink. Okay, so now I'm going to open my kitties. If I'm wrong. I'm going to open the last kitty. She's going to open hers. Oh, by the way, don't forget to put on the lid. Like I have. And... Shut up. I'm going to smack you. Okay, anyway. Back to the matter at hand. We have a kitty in here. We got 2 free. Open the kitty. Yep. See? I told you. Apparently her cat's throwing ice cream at me, apparently. And then here's mine. So, it's like that. So I guess they're pushing and pulling the jar out of each other, I'm guessing. So it's gonna look like that. That's kind of cute. I like it. And that's it. That's all I have. I hope you enjoyed us opening Series 2 of Lost Kitties. I don't know if we'll do any more, but that's it. Sorry if she's silent. She just did not want to talk because she's tired, apparently, and she's a little bitch. So, that's it. Bye!